Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to record a refund paid to a customer in Zoho Books. This is essential for maintaining accurate financial records when you need to process customer refunds through credit notes. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Books account using your username and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your company's financial data. After logging in, you'll land on the Zoho Books home screen. Direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find several options for managing your business finances. Look for an option labeled Sales and click on it. This will expand a submenu with various sales-related features. From this expanded menu, click on Credit Notes. This is where all your customer credit notes are stored and managed. Once you're on the credit notes page, you'll see a list of all the credit notes you've issued. Browse through this list and locate the specific credit note for which you want to process a refund. Click on that credit note to open it. This will take you to the overview page where you can see all the details of the selected credit note. At the top of this page, you'll notice a menu bar with several options. Look for the one that says Refund and click on it. This initiates the refund recording process. Now you'll be redirected to the refund section. This is where you'll enter all the necessary information to complete the refund transaction. Start by filling in the required fields, including the refund amount you want to process, the date of the refund, and a reference number for your records. You should also add a description that explains the reason for the refund, which helps maintain clear documentation for future reference. Next, click on the Payment Mode drop-down menu and select the appropriate payment method from the list. This could be bank transfer, cash, or any other payment method your business uses. You'll also need to specify from which account the refund balance will be deducted. Once you've configured all these details and double-check that everything is accurate, click on Save to finalize the refund entry. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a customer refund in Zoho Books, ensuring your financial records accurately reflect this transaction. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.